Welcome, and follow me as a Samsung Tab Active, and today I will show you how you can format your SD card. So to get started, you want to open up your settings, and in here we're gonna scroll down to battery and device care, and in here you'll find storage section. Tap on it. This will by default display the actual tablet storage, but we can swipe to the left and this will then show us our SD card storage. Here, all you need to do is click on these three dots next to the SD card and select Format. Now, this will bring up a window letting us know that formatting SD card will erase everything that is on this card. So if you keep any kind of data that you don't actually want to get rid of, maybe you have some photos or music, stuff like that, do make a copy of it to some other place. And once you've done so, you can then go back here and select Format. Now this will format your SD card. It gets unmounted. That's why it switched to internal storage. Once it's finished formatting it, it will reappear in here as a second page. So let's give it a second, and there we go. And as you can see, it's back here, fully formatted and ready to be used once again. So with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.